Alright guys, we're here at Benzina Stables. We are at Water Road in Preston. Place is pretty much going off. Inside there's a whole heap of elite vehicles, a lot of supercars, a lot of tough classics as well. Heaps of the Northern Gower Car Club crew that are here. And pretty much a bit of everything. So we've taken over the whole street and the car park across the road as well. I'll have a bit of a walk around what's happening here. So a lot of people coming and going. You're welcome to come down. Whether you've got a car or not, just roll up. You can have a bit of a look, catch up with your mates, grab a coffee, grab some Kranskis, have a bit of a look around. There's some stalls inside as well if you want to maybe buy some merchandise, which is a bit of fun. So look, I'll flip the camera around. We'll have a bit of a walk around the car park just across the road. It's pretty full. And yeah, you can see what's happening. So we're here till 12 o'clock midday today. 5 Water Road, which is Benzina Stables. So yeah, come and have fun and enjoy. So a bit of everything here today. I'll do a bit of a quick walk through, then we'll go back inside if you want. All good? So yeah, Benzina Stables, Water Road in Preston. Something here for everyone. We are pet friendly as well, so you can bring your fur baby if you want. So plenty of parking, heaps of spots, a few people coming and going. We're here till 12 o'clock. How you going? Hey, how you going? Good. So we're kind of parked here, there and everywhere, but heaps of space. Bit of everything, not just supercars, not just the elite. There's a lot of toughies out, a lot of good people as well. Let's have a look at this. So if anyone's interested in club permit or club reg, send me a message. I can let you know how to go about it. It's pretty easy. See you guys. Thanks, mate. A bit of traffic control there. So a bit of everything for everyone here. It's good to see a lot of the families out today. How we going, boys? Nice little family morning out. We're here at Benzina Stables in Water Road in Preston. We're here till about 12 o'clock. Kranski's, coffee, a couple of stalls inside. We've got Molto Bella Vespa spinning the tunes. We've got Andy Mack here taking photos. Got me charger out today. How we going, guys? Don't know where to look. There's cars everywhere. It's good, isn't it? Alright, we'll go back inside. Have another walk through. So yeah, here till about 12. It's packed. Everyone, you can see it's pretty jamming today, which is good. Have a look at this bike here. So yeah, there's something here for everyone. Guys, got a bit of a comp happening as well. I'll show you that. You can log on to Facebook or Insta. Start up here, let's have a look. Alright guys, it's all happening. Perfect weather. Food, coffee, good people. Cars are constantly rolling in and out, which is good, so you're not locked in at all. You can come and go as you want. Heaps of parking. There we go, we've got Eddie here from Road Trip. Log on to Road Trip. Hey, log on to Road Trip and you can see all of his photos on there. Give his page a like and a follow and a share. He actually works really hard at these events. He's constantly walking around taking a whole heap of photos, and he's actually quite good at it too. Alright guys, Benzina Stables. We're here till 12 o'clock today. Come on down, Water Road in Preston.